Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a golf cart magnetic mount for your phones. And so this is what you get here. So you have this. This is a strong magnet. I actually took it apart and kind of looked at it a little bit earlier on that part of it. And then we have the mount component here. So I'll show you what we have. Okay, so this is it here. If you've seen Magsafe, you've seen how it works. It also comes with a couple of the little metal hooks here. So if you wanted to hook it up to anything else, you could just tape one of these onto pretty much anything, and then it will stick to the mount. So the way these work is this one here comes with like a traditional ball mount here. You take off the existing little piece here, put it on, snap that in, and then you can just screw it on. Okay. And then if you have a phone, I have a broken old iPhone here, but it will just go onto it, and that's pretty cool. So it just goes on and stays on, and it's hard to take off. I mean, you can see I'm shaking it here. It's not going anywhere. So if you're bouncing around on your golf cart, your phone is going to stay there. And then this is the magnet. So let me see, do I have something magnetic here to mount it to? Not sure I do have anything. Everything here is aluminum. I do over here. Okay. So let me aim you guys over here for a second. This just happens to be my Cricut machine here. It connects up to the metal right there. I have it on there, and you can see I'm able to even pull the whole cart with it. And you see it moves the cart. It's got a strong, strong magnet, and that was barely doing it onto a little round one. If you put it on a nice flat square surface or something like that, you're going to be really good. Like this here, I don't know if this is going to stay down here. If I put it on there, that's going to be great. It's going to totally stay. I can put it like that, aim it wherever I want, and that is going to be nice and sturdy. And well, and then you can pull it up. But here you can see it's got a rubber backing here, so if you're worried about scratching the golf cart or anything like that, you don't have to worry about that because it's got a rubber coating. So it's really nice. And then let's see, what does this do? This folds down, it looks like, as well on the sides. Looks like you might be able to get extra magnetic power with the sides folding down like that. Look at that. There we go. So we're going to have extra magnetic power if you need it on something. Wow, that will not go anywhere if you do that. Or if it goes on the square bar, it'll even go around the side. So it'll hold it on like a rock, man. This is going to be great. So really cool little setup here. So if you need a magnetic mount, I like to use these because when I do like videos, sometimes I'll put it on the refrigerator, or kids will sometimes say, I see them using these ones here with the lockers and things like that at school. So you can kind of hook it up to anything, and then you can just tighten this up to lock it in place on a particular direction. But these are great. So totally awesome. Thumbs up, nice and convenient, and I like it.